Rightline Gear's weatherproof cargo net is a great and secure way to transport your cargo in a very weatherproof manner. Now, a few of the things that make this cargo net stand out are the fact that the net and the tarp below are attached together, so you don't have to worry about any sort of tangling cables that you may have had to worry about with a traditional system out there. Now, another cool thing is the tarp itself is made of a parashield material, and that parashield is very cut and abrasion resistant, but also all of the seams along the system are taped up to make this a very waterproof system, so on those inclement weather days your gear is still going to stay high and dry. Another cool thing that they've added are these adjustable hooks, and they actually have 4 already on the system in all 4 corners, and this is universal, so it's going to fit every truck bed application whether it's short or long, and they've included 8 additional hooks to put anywhere along the net, so this will fit your cargo perfectly. Now, at the end of the day, when you want to go store this, Rightline Gear has provided a nice stuff sack, so the system will stuff nice and neatly and compactly into the stuff sack, so it will fit under most back seats.